In a very real sense, there is something tragic about male sexuality. It is never satisfied. Whatever we find delicious today is bland tomorrow. Males of most species are wired to become aroused by novelty. Researchers observed that after a male rat had had sex with a female a few times, he would become exhausted. He'd do the rat equivalent of collapsing on the sofa and reaching for the remote to watch TV. Often, the female rat would be eager for more. She would nudge and lick him, doing her seductive best to arouse him. But he simply would lie in the corner, flaccid and unresponsive. Then the researchers would place a new, unfamiliar female in the cage. Immediately, the male would jump to his feet and walk around in a stiff, erect, and arrogant way, flexing his masculinity and showing off his tail. Gone is the exhausted, drooping rat of a moment before. Within minutes, he would be energetically having sex with the new female. The researchers repeated this process with another female, then another. Each time, like a puppet, the male would have sex. In one study, a male had sex with 12 dozen females before finally collapsing down. After orgasming, why do men have such a difficult time getting aroused again by the same woman, but get erect so easily at the sight of a new woman? Researchers think it's to prevent a man from dislodging or removing his own semen. The same reason we believe men have become flaccid after orgasming. Since the penis appears to be physically designed, especially the bulging head at the top, to shovel out or remove competitor's semen, it can easily shovel out a man's own sperm. By becoming flaccid and losing all sexual interest in a woman once he ejaculates inside her, a man increases the chances of impregnating her. But if a new woman appears, it's in his biological interest to get erect and jump back into action. Of course, once he ejaculates inside the new woman, he will again become flaccid and uninterested for the very same reason, sperm preservation, which is why your dick is shaped the way it is.